Guys, you are welcome back here again, and this is Banking Crypto Night. So today, what I have for you is another quantitative platform for those people that have been requesting for it every time, every day, that they love it and they like the type of platform it is. So this is another one again called KLUSDT. KLUSDT. So on this platform, it's just exactly like the other one we've been doing before, right from beginning, which we just deposit and your levels will go direct to where it's supposed to be, and you click on quantify to earn your daily income every day. So right now, guys, I'm going to show it to you. But right now, if you want to download the app, this is it here. You can click on app download and you can simply download the app. From here, you can join their Telegram channel. From here, you can request for help on the platform. Why this function here is used to deposit, and this one is used for withdrawal. For those people that don't know, so that is what all those functions are meant for. So this is how this platform work. They only have nine plans here, nine tasks you can go for, nine investment VIP you can go for, and the minimum of it here can earn you 15% every day on your money. 15% every single day on your money. So firstly, if you look here and check here very well, you will see from this KL VIP one, you can deposit from $12 to $51. This one you can earn from $1.80 to $7.65. If you like, you can deposit $13, $14, $15.2, like that, till $51, and you'll be earning 15% daily, 15% on whatever you deposit daily. That is, your $12 will give you $1.80, $1.80 every single day. And this plan, you can withdraw it every day by day. The minimum withdrawal is $1, so you can withdraw every single day. You don't need to wait till your plan expire. The plan will expire in 60 days, so you can do your calculation. If you deposit $12 and you are earning $1.80 times 60 days, times calculator, so times $1.80 times 60 days, that means you can earn up to $108 on it. But you don't need to be to wait before you make your withdrawal. You can keep on withdrawing every day. Even right now, you can make your first withdrawal almost immediately. You can make your first withdrawal. So if you look at the second one here, which is 52 to 171, this one can earn you 8.32 to 27. So again, if we look at this thing before, in less than how many days will you use to earn back your capital? So in 7 days, you have already make back all your capital. In 7 days, you will make back your capital, and you start making money you start making profits from that 7th days upward. So depend on the one you want to go for. So just choose wisely. So what you need to do is to click here. If you want to join it, click recharge right here. Click recharge. Then you can see you can recharge either through USDT TRC20 or USDT BEP20, depend on the one you want to go for. For me, I will say you should recharge through BEP20 because the transaction fee from BEP20 is lower than the TRC20. So if you want to withdraw, also you can withdraw. Is either you withdraw through TRC20, USDT TRC20, or BEP20. Normally BEP20 withdraw to deposit, if you are depositing from your Binance or any of your crypto accounts, any of your crypto wallet, USDT that is under TRC20, they will always deduct $1 as a transaction fee. Some will also deduct $1.5, but on BEP20 I don't think they are going to deduct up to that. So you can use BEP20, select BEP20 like this, select BEP20 and make your deposit. Or if you have your TRC20, you can just make your deposit through TRC20. So copy the wallet address you see here, copy it and go to your crypto account and make your deposit into it. So after you make your deposit, for instance, I've made a deposit of $12. So I have made a deposit of $12. What you need to do is you will check up here to check maybe your plan is already shows of VIP. You can see I'm a VIP 1, so that means I will be earning $1.80 every day. So the next thing to do is to go to quantify right here, click on quantify, then click on start quantification. Just tap on this place and you will earn your first revenue right here. You can withdraw immediately. So right now I have clicked on it and I have earned it. So if I go back and I refresh, you can see my withdrawable balance and withdrawable fund, total revenue and withdrawable fund. I can withdraw it right now. So right now I want to withdraw it. Click on withdraw to make your first withdrawal. So right now we want to withdraw to BEP20 USDT. So we will click here right now. Let's click here. We are going to click here and add our USDT BEP20 wallet address here. So click on add. Now I will go to my Trust wallet and copy my wallet address and paste it here, then my transaction password and paste it here, then click on submit. I will do that now off screen. So I'm here on my Trust wallet. All this money you see here, I got it from that type of platform. Everything you see right here, I got it from the same platform, that type of platform. Note this one was just launched today. So right now let me click on my copy. I click on copy. I have copied my wallet address. I will go back to the site and you can see the last time I deposit money into this place. That is the last time I received money into this account. You can see December 9, that is the last day I received money into this account. So now let me go to the site and paste and do everything there, then I will make my withdrawal immediately. You can see what I have here, that is 57 USDT. So now let me do that. Paste, then input your transaction password right in here. So you can see success. So right now I want to make my withdrawal into this wallet. So right now we click on withdraw again. Now select withdrawal method, then select the wallet you just bind, input the amount you want to withdraw, that is 1.80 USDT, that is dollars. Now input your payment password, that is your transaction password you create when you are creating this your account. Now after that you're going to click on confirm withdrawal. So as you can see, application for withdrawal is successful. So if I check on, let me check on withdrawal, this thing, you can see it here, withdrawal, apply for withdrawal, you can see. So I'm going to my Trust wallet right now and check if the money has arrived here. Surely I believe it has arrived because it will take less than 2 or up to less than 5 seconds to show up there. So let's go. So you can see this is the money. You can see the money has arrived. It shows up here, but let me refresh this page again. So you can see it here. You can see the notification from Trust wallet and you can see the money. This is it right here. You can see it, see the time I receive it and check the time up here. So that is it. You can see that the platform is paying. You can see that the platform is paying. You can see my balance here as update. So that is it. That is it on how to invest on this platform and make your first withdrawal. So some other things I will need to inform you, to let you know about this platform, is that in case you want to go for the, you want to also refer some people into this platform, maybe your friends, and you want to earn some income through them, you can click on your invitation link right here. Invitation link right here. Just click on your invitation link right here and send it to them. Make your deposit, let them make their deposit, and you will earn your own commission through them. You will earn your own commission through them. You will earn at least 12% commission from your team A. Your team B, you earn 2% commission. Your team C, you earn 1% commission. So that is it, and you can make a whopping big amount of money on this platform. So guys, you can see a lot of people are earning through here. You can see this person just in 5,992 USDT, like that. Some people just invest something like that. You can see everything right here, reading on the screen, on the side screen right here. So guys, that is all. Thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment on this video. So guys, thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now.